Hey, welcome back to Moments with Rashad, where we discuss handbags, lifestyle, and fashion. And today we are discussing those must-have favorite things from the month of April. So if you're interested in seeing what those things are, please just keep watching. All right. In the month of April, it was a lot going on, you guys. And I have some things. Some things we talked about during April, but some things are brand new. So I'm so excited to go over this list with you. And the first thing we're going to talk about is handbags. And the first handbag, you guys know, I've been talking about this. I've been raving about it since I got it. So I'm not going to belabor it. It's the Empire. I love this bag. I absolutely love it. It fits everything. She's beautiful. She's gorgeous. And it is absolutely the best bag I think I have in my collection for where I am right now, for what I'm using it for. Now, the second bag is the Gaia. I ordered this from this company called Bia, and they are absolutely amazing. I debuted this bag, I think it was in the beginning of April or at the end of March, and she has been a workhorse. When I have not been using the Empire, I have been using that bag. This is the perfect size tote bag. I can carry my iPad in here, a bottle of water, my day-to-day essentials, and it does not look like a standard tote bag. With this bag, because of the strap, you can wear it crossbody, you can wear it over your shoulder, and this bag has been a real workhorse for me. So when I go out during the weekends and I know I'm going to be running by Sephora or running this place or that place, and I'm going to have little things hopping around the malls, this has been perfect because I can just throw those things in here and it looks stylish and it does not look like a tote. So I can carry her on my arm or on my shoulders. This bag is amazing. Now, I do have an affiliate code, and I will include that in the description. And with this company, they do jewelry and handbags and boots and shoes. And so they are really artisans, and they have some amazing pieces. And they are having a sale right now. So I will put that affiliate code in there so you can take advantage of it. And the code works on everything that's on the site, not just the handbag. So please keep that in mind. So happy shopping. Now, as we move into fashion, you guys, once again, I'm in love. I've discovered this company called Bowden. They are a company that's based in the UK. It was started by Johnny Bowden in 1991. He decided he wanted to have a line of men's fashions, and he wanted people to have good, stylish clothes, but not to take fashion too seriously. And he hit the ball out the park. And in 1992, he started a women's line. In 1996, he started a kids line. So when you go on his site, you see fashions for the whole family. And I bought this dress. It is navy blue, and I will include pictures so you guys can see the full length of the dress. It's called the Flory. It was $92 on his site. And I love this dress because it has pockets. You have your waistline. You have a band that goes around your waist. It is a thick jersey material, so you can throw it in the washing machine. No dry cleaning bills associated with it. It is T-length. And it is very sharp, so you can wear it to dinner, you can wear it to work or to church, and you can really do a lot with this dress. So for the money, for the quality, you can't beat it. It is absolutely amazing, and I love it. I really do. And as well as this skirt from Bowden. Now, I was looking for a long denim skirt because I'm trying to get away from wearing jeans during the summer or wearing shorts. I wanted something a little bit different. And I'm going to hold this up. She is long, and it's a high-waisted skirt, and I'm going to include pictures so you guys can see. It's an A-line. So as you can look here, you can see that you have, and I know I'm holding this in front of my face, but it's an A-line skirt, and the denim is so soft. The workmanship and quality is amazing. You can dress this up or down. If you put this skirt on with a tank top or a t-shirt, or you could wear it in a myriad of ways. This denim skirt, you can wear this in the fall and in the winter time with some boots, What? Yeah, this is a workhorse garment that you can wear all year round, and the quality is there, you guys. You don't have to worry about shrinkage or the color, fading. You don't have to worry about that with his clothes. I bought, I think it was like 4 dresses. I bought a pair of black work slacks as well. I mean, his clothes are amazing. You can find them in Nordstrom, and you can also find them online. And the colors that he has and the designs are so vibrant and beautiful. You guys are gonna, please go check him out and just hit me in the comments and let me know what you think, because there is something there for everyone. If you love bright colors, if you like embroidery, if you like whites in the summer, or it just everything. You guys are going to be in love too. So that's fashion. Now we're going to move into beauty. So in beauty, we're going to look at my nails again, y'all. It's this color. It's from OPI, and it's called Tickle My Fancy. I know, right? They always have such cute names. So this is a color. You can find it on Amazon, any drugstore, beauty supply, wherever you can find OPI nail polish. This color is there. I like it because it's like a muted color. So to me, I wear it like it's a neutral. Right now I have it on with blues. It looks good with that. If I wear reds, no matter what color I wear, when I have this on my nails and toes, it doesn't create a color conflict. It always looks good with it. So, and plus I have on red lipstick, and it's not a shock in terms of the colors not matching. It works really well. Please check out this color. Let's see. The color number is 3004. There you guys go. Check that one out too. Perfume. I love perfume, guys. I do. And this is the perfume that I have been wearing and I have been loving. It's called That Girl Viral Vanilla. So it's by a company called Ocha. And if you look it up, you can look it up by either That Girl or Viral Vanilla, because I'm on TikTok. I bought it at the TikTok shop, but you can also find this online, and people are going bananas for this scent. It smells like vanilla and caramel and sandalwood and marshmallow and amber, and it is amazing. If you spritz this on your skin, it lasts a really long time, but I also spritz a little bit on the fabric, just like maybe a little bit on my collar or in my hair, and it lasts even longer, and it is amazing. That's the fragrance that I've been loving. I think I spent like $50 for it, and it is 1.7 ounces. So yeah, please check this one out. Now, as we go into electronics, I always say I go nowhere without my Bose, and I mean this Bose. These are my Bose Quiet Comfort earphones, and I love these things. I've had them for about 4 years, and what I really like about them is you are truly hands-free. They're noise canceling headphones, earbuds. You can also set the volume levels and the bass and the treble levels per ear, so you can really get a customized sound, because just to put them in and the bass and treble is the same may be good for some people, but other folks that may have hearing issues or may want to get that bass a little in another ear, you can do that with this. You can answer the phone, you can tap on them, and you can change to the next song or go back songs. So you can do a lot with these earbuds, and they are truly a hands-free experience. I love these things, you guys. They are regularly $299. They are on sale on the Bose site for $249. So you save yourself about $50 if you were to get them off of that site. You can also look around, maybe like Best Buy and some places, to see if they may be having a sales. But they are the Bose Quiet Comfort earbuds, and like I said, these things are amazing. Now, I did not read books in the month of April. It was crazy busy, and I did not have time. So I will have a book review for the month of May. And the last category is television and movies. I'm going to discuss two things. Initially, I said I was just going to talk about TV, but I'm going to talk about this other thing too. No. That's actually, I can. Okay. I'm going to talk about the movie Sinners. I'm not going to get deep into it. All I have to say is that movie is absolutely amazing. It represents initially as a horror movie, but it is so much deeper than that. When you start to really look into the characters and their backstories and what's going on during that time, you feel like you're pulled into the world of what these people are going through. And some of the things that they're going through are prevalent even today. Thinking back about some of the things that happened in the movie, I just remember my grandparents discussing certain things, and my parents, and what it was like growing up where I grew up during the time when I grew up, of how the racial tensions in that area of Maryland, how that was. And all I'm going to say is that Ryan Coogler, Michael B. Jordan, and cast, Oscars all around. They even had Ruth Carter, who did the design for Black Panther, was the costume designer. I mean, got the music, you guys, and the just go see it. That's it. That's all I'm gonna say. Go see it. Go see it. Go see it. Television, Mobland. Yes, Mobland it's delicious. You have Pierce Brosnan married to Helen Mirren, and they are leading a family that's involved in organized crime in England. And Tom Hardy, I gotta see everything Tom Hardy's in, y'all. He is their fixer. So when things go wrong, they call Tom, and Tom works it out. You know, some people's like, Jesus gonna work it out, Tom's gonna work it out too. And this man, the people that he knows and the things that he does, and how smart and savvy he is, and what he does to keep this family afloat, even keeping them out of trouble internally within the family, is amazing. I'm like, dude, do you sleep? Do you rest? No, because they call you in the middle of the night with some crap. Self-inflicted. But the show is absolutely delicious. I love it. It's about 5 seasons in. This is the 5 episodes in the first season. It is on Paramount. Please watch it. It comes on Sundays. If you are into crime movies or like to see family drama, this is the show for you. Now, spoiler is that they do say some cuss words in here, y'all. So, and there is, you know, they do mix it up. So there is some fighting and some things go boom, and people get stabbed and whacked. But it is good. So please watch Mobland. So those are my things for April that I'm loving. The Empire bag, the Gate bag, and also I'm looking this beautiful dress from Boden, the skirt that I also got from Boden, the Viral Vanilla That Girl perfume, as well as the OPI nail polish and my bows. Those 2, Sinners and Mobland. So let's talk about it in the comments. Let me know, have you seen Sinners? What do you think? Have you watched Mobland? Let me know who your favorite character is. I would say my favorite character is Tom Hardy, because he gonna make it all right for everybody, and I'm down with that energy. Let me know what you think about the purses. Which purse did you like the best? Why? So also, that girl, that Viral Vanilla, do you have it? If you have it, what do you think about it? Is it one of those scents that you reach for every morning or every time you go out? So yeah. So with that said, please click on like and subscribe. Share this video with your family and friends. And until the next time, take care of yourself and peace.